Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you easily create a Snapchat group. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, you open your Play Store or App Store to make sure you have the Snapchat application updated for everything to work smoothly in this process. After that, you open the Snapchat application. Of course, you have to be logged in the first place, and then let's go to our chats and conversations right here guys. Now the first thing you need to do is to tap on that blue button at the bottom right corner of the screen, this one right here. So let's go ahead and tap right there. You'll be taken to the screen. You find this button that says new group towards the top of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just scroll down and tap or check the members or the people that you want to add as members in this group. Just find the people that you want to add basically. So once you're done from that, you can tap on new group name at the top right here, of course, to give your group a name before creating it. And once you're done, you can tap on chat with group right here to create the group. Now you must know now that you cannot add people who haven't added you as a friend yet on Snapchat. So let me remove those people that haven't added me, and then now I can go ahead and tap on chat with group. And here you go guys, this was how can you easily create and add people to a group chat on Snapchat. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below, share the video, and of course subscribe for future videos and solutions to your problems like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching. See you in future videos.